Alrighty, guys. Got a little package in from RevZilla. Ordered this a day or so ago. They're getting around to it pretty quickly. And I'm not pleased with my... Oh, cease fire! I'm not pleased with my camera that I have on my helmet. It's not working out very well for me anyway. Let me adjust this down just a little bit. There we go. So I decided to try the Ghost. I've heard a lot of reviews about this camera. The Ghost 4K. Gotten watched quite a few videos on YouTube about it. And everybody really seems to like it quite a bit. So this is an unboxing of this camera. And a handy little unboxing tool here. Open this puppy up and see what's inside. You know, it'd be better if I just spun this thing around, pop the knife out of it. It's the handiest little tool in the world there. That's a Gerber Artifact, and I really like it. Got a little knife here, bottle opener. It's got all kinds of stuff on it. Handy little tool. Anyway, get down to business here. I don't know if I'm smart enough to open this box. Nice little package. I'll give them credit for that. Alrighty. You have two mounts for your helmet. This is the curved mount, obviously. Got a curved edge on it. You have the flat mount, which is flat. And then you have the camera mount itself. This is adjustable, up, down, left, right, with the lens. You turn the lens. This will just slide right into this and lock in place. This is, you tighten this once you adjust your camera through these notches here, you know, up and down where you want it. And then you just stop, tighten this down, and then it's locked in place. I like that. It's pretty handy. This is the remote. It has, I'll pull it out here. Pull this up out of the box. This remote is a wristwatch remote. So you can see it's a wristband. And here's your adapter. If you want to put a microphone and put it inside your helmet. And then here's your charging adapter. This is not a big long one like a lot of them are. But with this particular adapter, I've got several of these because I have several cameras that use very similar adapters, so I'm not too much worried about that. I think it's 10 inches, something like that. So there's the two adapters. Over here, we'll place it a little there. And then I'll open this up. This is instruction manual. Comes with a and I have not opened this, I've not seen it, but I have watched a lot of reviews. So it's a very, you got some swag in here. Some drift stickers. And it's pretty comprehensive. And then you got the stickers. You got the drift sticker, the white one, and then you got the red one, like the big S. Drifting, I guess, is sliding through the curves. We don't want to be doing no sliding through the curves. Now here's the camera itself. And I want to tell you, I've never had it in my hand. This thing is tactile. It is, look at that. I'm barely holding it. It is rubbery. You got your on-off buttons up here. Now this is it's a small lens, very small. However, when you turn it on and you start going through the different modes, this changes color. So you know which mode you're in by what color it is. Also, on the side here, God, I've already heard about this, how hard this is to get off. They call these modulars because this comes off. It's not easy to pop out of there, but that pops out. It goes down in here, and there's a big LCD screen you can put in here. I've already ordered that. You can see how it connects in. The reason it's hard to get in and out is because it's pretty. It's not. They don't say waterproof on these, but I've saw some of the videos of some of the people that have had these, and they talk about they've been in torrential rains, and it's worked out fine. Now the lens, once you've mounted on the side, you can adjust your lens where you want it. See, you can turn it, and that gives you the angle of the lens, whether you want it turned. You know, if you're on the helmet and it's a little cocked this way on the helmet, you can actually turn this and get a straight picture. They also, with this particular camera, you have it's on my phone. You have an app that you can use, a Drift app. It's called Drift Life, I think, and it's controllable like a GoPro remote. This is my GoPro session right here. This is an excellent little camera, but for what it is, it's fun. But this one has a lot more adaptability. It's you can see the difference between the two. This one they weigh about the same. This one's a little bit heavier, not much. I like the buttons up here. This thing, you just hit this or you hit this, and that's it. That's all there is to it. There's not a lot to it. My other camera that I have that I use is this one, which is the Sena Prism tube. This is the one that you see. Most of the videos that I do are done with this. The problem is you plug this in and you charge it. Here's your USB port there. This is your micro S, your card. To turn it on and off, you just pull it up or down, and that light lets you know when it's on or off. Here's the issue. It is so hard. I cannot get this to connect to its system, my software, so that it'll show me the correct date. I can't format my card for the correct date, because even if I format this card and put it back in, it shows the incorrect date. Hell, I'm in September 16 with this thing. And that's very disturbing for me because I can't get my videos correct. With this one, there's not that issue. And it's about, when you look at them, there's not much difference. This one's actually smaller. It's as far as the width, it's about the same, not much. It's a little bit wider. I just think I like this better. I've seen videos on it, and I think it'll work out better. So I will do a review on it. I'll try it out and see how it works, and I'll do a review on it. When it's recording, there's a light up here. When it's on Wi-Fi, because it'll show up here. It'll also show up here on the bottom. And these are rubberized and they're tough to get out. So it's basically waterproof, but this is where you plug it in to charge and all that. And let me tell you, They're not easy to get out of there. They're in. Microphone here, microphone here. I don't know if you can see that or not, but there's a microphone there, a little hole. There's one at each end, so you get dual soundings coming from each end. These do come out, and that's how you charge it. There's your for your SSD cards, or not your SSD, but I'm sorry, it's for your micro cards. It feels wonderful in the hand. I have to say that. And it really feels comfortable. There we go. And that's your charging port. I like it. I like the feel of it. I like the heft of it. I like the adjustability of it. From the reviews that I've seen online, it's really nice. Like I said, this screws right into here. Then you just mount it onto your helmet. Probably going to put this on my Shoei helmet. That's, my Shoei has SRL, the rider's link on the inside. But I'm probably going to use this on there. Like I said, guys, I'll give you a review on this and let you know. But this is the Drift 4K, and it is on sale right now on Revzilla. I don't know how much I gave for it, but I think it's less than $300. I don't think it's much at all. I hope you like this, and this is Frosty, and like I said, review will follow after I try it out. That's all.